in college, yeah, you know they can't stop us. In college, yeah, you know we gon' pop it. In college, yeah, you know they can't stop us. In college, yeah, you know we ain't poppin'. Yeah, 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 yeah. In college, yeah, you know they can't stop us. In college, yeah, you know we gon' pop it. In college, yeah, you know they can't stop us. In college, yeah, you know we gon' pop it. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Welcome to Heem College, class in session.
What's good, Slim? Man, we back, man. In this video, I'm gonna show y'all how to do a mid fade, high fade, low fade, whichever one you wanna call it. You're gonna take these same steps. So just follow my lead, gang. It's very simple. Y'all know we start off everything with the ball line. That's if they want to skin fade. They don't want to skin, they say they want to low but not ball. You're going to use that lever open, no guard. And you're going to create this area. But for this one, we doing ball fade. So you're going to go on with your trimmers. Some people use their clippers and a shaver, but me, I use trimmers. I try to stay away from them shavers, but they do cause irritation. Alright, so first thing first, you're going to set your ball line in. Alright, after that, you're going to go no guard, lever open, and create our first section. You want to make sure this section right here is about an inch, maybe a little smaller, depending on the head shape. But I always drop that ball line under the occipital bone so it don't look like the fade is sitting on the top of their head. So you're going to create this section. Alright, y'all, after that, we're going to take our one guard, lever close, and we're going to create the next section. Remember, this one guard, lever close. You're going to create the same amount of space that you did on that last section. Alright, once you get that section clean, then you're going to take your zero guard halfway and you're going to start to knock that bottom line out right there and blend that into the bottom area. Remember, you go lever halfway, and after we feel like we cleaned up enough hair, we're going to close the lever all the way and try to pick up the remainder hair that's left. But this section should start to blend with that bottom section. Alright, once you got that section up to par, you're going to go to the two guard. Lever open just to scoop out and clean up that top area. We're going to try to blend that top area with that next section. But this is the most difficult part if you ask me. Because you got to try not to create another line while scooping out. Alright? So you're going to lighten that section as much as you can with that two guard from open. And then we're going to work the bottom of that section with the two guard close. Alright. As you can see, we working the bottom area now. That means we got our lever closed. We're going to try to lighten this up as much as possible with that two guard. Alright, after that step there, we're going to go back to our one guard, but we're going to go lever open. Lever open is going to blend into that next section a little bit more. Remember, fading is just counting down from 2 to 3, all the way down to no guard. That's all fading is. So with this section, we're going to go from open, midway, and then we're going to clean the rest of it up with that one guard close. That's how you attack that dark area there and blend it with the rest. It's pretty simple. Once you get this routine down, you'll be able to do any fade. And as we begin to close that lever, you'll see that section start to blend a little bit more and more, alright? And remember, with our 0 guard, we went from mid to close. And then with the 1 guard, for the second area, we went from open to close. And that should blend that area, blend it together pretty good for you there, alright? It's simple. The more you practice, the better you'll get at this. It's all about reps. Now we're gonna take our no guard lever open and try to like detail just a little, just detail the rest of those sections just a little, not too much. Remember, don't lay the blade flat or you're gonna start to create more guidelines. You can create a line into the fade and you don't want to do that. So for that bottom line, we're gonna go from midway, just to scoop it out, just to lighten it up a little bit more. And once we feel like we cut all the hair that we could with the lever halfway, we'll start to close it. But now you see me going from open to close to detail that area. Here we have our lever closed. That is how we're erasing that bottom line out. Remember, all of this is simple math. We're gonna go halfway, as much as we can get off, and then once we feel like it's not cutting anymore, we're gonna close it like you just saw me do there. But don't be afraid to open and use that corner blade to erase some of them dark areas that you see. And it's just simple math. Once again, this is an easy technique that I use sometimes to fade. Take me maybe a little under 10 minutes to do each side, and then I use the other 10 minutes for the lineup. With this technique, you should be cutting in 30 minutes or less. And if you ask me, the fade is pretty much in there. You haven't even brung the top down any. You're gonna take that down with a 2 guard as well, and that's gonna help blend that top area into the fade. But if you want to be honest, it's a lot of licensed and book barbers who fades don't even look this clean, alright? So if you follow these steps right here and you think this technique will help you out, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe this video, guys. We're using that 2 guard close to blend that area, and once I bring that hair down with the 2 guard, then I'm able to, you know, blend that dark line out that you see just a little bit more. And then we can go back with that 2 guard lever open or close to blend it together. And after that, guys, that's how you do a simple mid, high, or low fade. It's very simple. It's not hard at all. Again, make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe for more videos.
Mr. Incredible, Mr. Incredible, Mr. Incredible, Mr. Incredible, Mr. Incredible, Mr. Incredible.